It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Sean Paul has released yet another rhythm on his label. This one is called Callaloo. Yeah, we'll soon ask him about the name, but so far Ching Ching, Charlie Blacks and a few others are already releasing tracks.
Yep, and it's Levi's favorite. Big up to the dancing policeman. Well, he was actually directing traffic, but he made it look fun.
Riri is clearly trying to break the internet. I think the last 2 posts have sent men into a frenzy.
What?
Riri, you can't go easy. Actually, girl, go hard.
Yeah,
or
man,
go
I love
home,
it.
Girl, go hard.
First of all, big up to the reggae girls. Now we know the Women's World Cup wouldn't be easy, but USA really gave Thailand a solid beating. 13-0? Wow. But people were upset with how the US girls celebrated every goal. Some thought it was rude.
I mean, it's a little bit arrogant. Because, I mean, why you need to celebrate all 13 times, you know?
All 13
Like, you reach
times.
3 or maybe 5, you know?
All
no, you can't say, all right, we
13
can't, don't know.
No, man, maybe they shock themselves, who knows?
Every time them score?
Yeah, man, maybe them never know so they were gonna do so well.
so
And you
I-
just shock yourself. Like, if I go play football now and I score a goal, would I shock if
Yeah, you score
one
the
too?
first goal, second goal, third
No,
goal,
man,
fourth.
may I
Maybe-
celebrate?
Maybe up to the fifth. Unless it's 13 different people score each goal.
think so, no.
Exactly. Then I don't see why. Anyway, and finally holding the spot this week, boy, Golden State fans, aka me, I'm Golden State fans.
Aw.
Not too happy this week, but you know what? The Toronto Raptors fought hard and the win was well deserved. NBA champions, can't talk to Drake now, you know.
Now I'm saying my drop 2 track.
Drake
Yeah.
is the mayor of Toronto right now, you know. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Facebook and IG at TVJ Intense.